It's Elena from Powertrain Products. Out in our shop, we are here with a 4.6 liter Mustang long block. You can see here, similar to most long blocks, we have the block, the heads. When we come down to the timing components, we do have an upgraded guide. Previously, they were made out of plastic and now they're made of a composite-like material. This also includes hyper-eutectic graphite-coated pistons as well. And of course, you have your high-volume oil pump included as well as the gasket set. Again, we do want to note that this is only for the model year 2000 with an 8-bolt crank and PI heads. After we make the upgrades to the engine, we go ahead and sim test it for operability and then back it with our powertrain promise. If you want to see about pricing and availability, you can give us a call at 888-842-0023. Follow us online to powertrainproducts.net, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.